A mountain range in Colombia has lost its roots, a wedge of Earth's crust that once held it in place but has since dropped down into its mantle, according to a new study. It's long been a puzzle to geologists how the mountain's peaks manage to remain upright, but researchers are now looking into the geology of the region. Mountain regions tend to have dense crustal roots to balance out the weight of the mountains, said study co-author and University of Alberta, Calgary graduate student David Quiroga. Earth's crust is much thinner than its underlying mantle. Because of the weight of mountains, Quiroga added, the crustal roots underneath the mountains are embedded into the mantle. The mass displaced inside the mantle by mountains is larger than the mass displaced by crustal roots, he said. This configuration compensates for the weight of mountains piled on top of each other. Geologists can use gravity anomaly observations to estimate the thickness of the Earth's crust. In general, there is high gravity in places where there is a lot of mass and vice versa, stated Quiroga. In mountainous areas, the presence of a crustal root typically results in negative gravity anomaly measurements, indicating that the mass in this area is lower than expected. Unlike other locations where the mantle is intact, this indicates where the lighter crust has replaced the heavier mantle. However, in the case of the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta in Colombia, there is an elevated mountain region with a high positive gravity anomaly, stated Quiroga. This means that instead of having a mass deficit, there is an excess of mass.